Alright folks, it is 5 a.m. and up, getting ready to go to the train station. Wait, are you coming with me this time?
Uh-huh.
You're coming with me?
Uh-huh.
You gonna help me install the stuff?
Maybe. Or
Okay.
maybe I'm gonna be in Sesame Street.
Anyway folks, let's get on the road. You going to sleep, man? Why do you have my pillow?
You
I
gave it to me.
I gave it a blanket
You gave me both.
to hold. Alright, we'll see y'all in about 5 hours. Alrighty folks, we are here, and just that quick, I forgot my stuff here in my bag. But let's head to Spotlight with some tools and let's get them modernized. Alright folks, so again, the main thing here is us working on the sound. That's the priority, and then we're gonna work on moving everything down into the downstairs from upstairs, and then when we get some hands, we're gonna get some folks to help move out and switch out the TVs and all that other good stuff. So I couldn't bring everything on the train. I got my tools that are essential, but we had everything ordered and sent up here. So let's take you on a tour on what we're gonna do. All right, so these PTZ mounts are gonna be good. We're just gonna take these down and put the PTZs up there on the mounts, 1, 2, the other one right there. I think we're gonna change that with a 70 and then 2 65s right there. But let's see about, and then we also, right under this, we're gonna put a rack mount to hold the S16 and then route all of the instrument stuff up there. Got drum mics, gonna hook all that up and go from there. All right, so this is what we're gonna remove up out of the way. This board is going away. The compact is gonna be over here in the corner. So we're just gonna document the jacks. I think these are numbered, but honestly, in the grand scheme, it doesn't matter because we can just route them any way we want to. But let's get this up out of here. And then we already brought the computer down. And then we're gonna just start going through the boxes and get stuff set up. Folks, so just unboxing a lot of stuff, and I think I switched over to my camera because my phone's about ready to die from trying to do a time lapse, but let me actually stop that. So cleaning out a lot of space here, and we got a grip of stuff. So the X32 is pretty big, so I'm needing some extra space and some extra hands to get all this stuff in place. So like I said, we got the Thor HDMI so that I can feed the TVs downstairs and don't have to do a converter. You can just do an XLR cable, a coax cable to each TV, and it shows up like it's a channel. Um, we got a small snake here for the mics that are going to live back here. So we're going to upgrade their wireless mics with some frequency programmable GTD audios. So again, let's go ahead and kick off another time lapse, and we're going to just keep working. All right, so the plan is the X32 is going to live back there. We got ourselves a very much sought after S16 that's going to live in the corner up there. We got an X16 here. We got 2 personal mixers, and we have 1 P2 that's going to be for the drummer, just for them to have a mix. Our GTD audios, and all of these are going to be mounted in a rack up there. I'm just still unpacking some boxes, and then we're going to start, I hate using a term like this, but start dry fitting some of this stuff to make sure we can get some stuff working. We got our PoE switch here, and then also we're going to be doing an upgrade. This is a system that I built for them up here, and we're going to be upgrading them to a 5600G here. Make sure that is what it is. Yeah, 5600G, and the computer is going to go from streaming down to just handling the presentation, Zoom, and any other stuff like that. All right, so the goal is to take this down, put a PTZ, and we're probably going to have to, I didn't bring a box of cables, so we need to get some Ethernet cable so we can run, and then we wouldn't need this because we're going to be sending power over PoE here. So let me get the ladder here, pull this down, hang the camera, and then we can always adjust and run a cable, Ethernet cable, later after we go to Lowe's or Home Depot or something like that. All right, so Ms. Phyllis has got the drum mic set up. I am putting together the rack to hold all the equipment up in that corner right there. Got our shielded Ethernet cable that's going to be a bridge between the X32 and the Snake. I got that one. Hello. Got that camera up, and then we're going to be working from there. So that's what we got going on, trying to get all this stuff out of the way before we have to start tackling pulling down the TVs and all this other stuff. And we're going to have to go get a box of Cat6 cable for the camera, because I just used this extra shielded one that Ms. Phillips had. Most likely I'm going to use that for when we relocate another camera up here. But that's what we got going on. All right, out with the old Snake, in with the new. All of that replaced with that right there. And that's all going to be mounted in that corner over there. Just need to get a bit to be able to drill through, do some pre-drill holes over there. But coming along good. Coming along real good. I'm only going to play this for half a second. We got some sound here. Yay! So let's finish continuing the work. All right, folks, we ran into some issues. We didn't get a chance to finish the whole video stuff, but we got the system set up. We had to move the mics back here because the musicians wanted a track. We needed a guitar, so I had to free up that. So we had to move the wireless mics back here. We got all 3 cameras are powered, but only one is there because the SDI cables are not long enough, and I didn't have bring any tools to make SDI cables. So we got to come back for that. We never got a chance to pull down the old TVs and put the new ones up, but we do have an image on the TVs here. Let me take you up here so you can see. We got sound through the new system. Everything got the instruments plugged in, so we got an image on the TVs. We just got to pull them down and put the new ones up, which we didn't get a chance to do. We got to get a direct box for the bass player, and we couldn't find the P2 for his inner ears. So we got a few things left over that we got to fix. But like I said, I will be back. I need to see what day I have available, and then I'm gonna come up here and probably just drive. As much as I don't want to, I'm gonna drive so that way I'll have all of my tools, and we don't have to worry about we will get all the stuff knocked out. But anyway, this is a part one. We'll bring you back on part two, and we will go from there. So we will catch y'all later, folks.